Hey guys, welcome back to Cozy English Corner. I'm Sarah, and I'm really happy you're here with us again today. Thank you for choosing this soft moment with us.
And I'm Sam, and it means so much that you're listening right now. I hope your day is going gently, wherever you are. Let's sit together and talk about something close to the heart, family.
Family is a simple word, but it holds so many feelings. Sometimes worn, sometimes complicated, sometimes confusing, but always important.
Yes, family shapes the way we see the world. Even small memories stay with us for years. And today we'll explore those memories slowly and gently. Sarah, when you think about your family, what's the first feeling that comes to your mind?
I think of warmth. Even if things weren't always perfect, there was always a sense of home, a feeling that someone cared.
That's beautiful. Family isn't about perfection. It's about presence, being there, even in small ways. What about you, Sarah? What do you feel first?
I feel softness. My family is full of small, gentle moments, like my mom making tea or my dad fixing something quietly. These tiny memories stay in my heart.
Yes, those quiet moments mean more than we realize.
Talking about family can be emotional. Some memories make you smile, and some make your eyes feel heavy, but both are okay.
Yes, families aren't always easy, but they teach us love, patience, and forgiveness. Even when things feel difficult, family moments shape who we become.
Listener, think about your own family for a moment. The people who raised you, lived with you, or simply cared for you. Every family looks different, but every family is meaningful. Let your heart explore that gently.
Maybe you live with your family now, or maybe you live far away. Either way, the connection stays inside you. Distance doesn't erase love.
Sam, can you share a memory about your parents?
Sure, I remember my father waking up early to make breakfast for us. He didn't say much, but everything he did was full of care. That quiet love still stays with me.
That's so touching. Sometimes love speaks through actions, not words. I have a memory too. When I was little, my mom used to brush my hair before school, and she always hummed a soft tune. Even now, when I hear that tune, my heart feels safe.
That's such a beautiful picture. Little childhood moments hold so much peace.
Do you have siblings, Sam?
Yes, I have a younger sister. We used to fight about silly things, but we also shared secrets in the dark before sleeping. Those late-night talks made us close.
Siblings are like built-in friends, even when they annoy you. I have an older brother. He used to walk me to school and always waited for me after class. His presence made me feel protected, even when I felt small or scared.
That's so sweet. Siblings give us a sense of safety in a big world.
Listener, think of one moment with your family that still makes you smile, even if it's small, like eating together or laughing at something funny. These moments matter.
Yes, they stay with you and become part of your story, and you carry them into the world wherever you go.
Sam, what's one thing your mom always says to you?
She always says, "Take care of your heart." She doesn't mean physically, she means be gentle with myself. And I still hear that sentence on hard days.
That's so meaningful. Words from family stay like warm lights in difficult times. My dad always says, "Don't rush, Sarah." He believes life becomes softer when you slow down. And every time I hurry too much, I remember his calm voice.
Parents have a way of speaking that stays forever.
Family also teaches us traditions.
Yes, like cooking special meals, celebrating festivals, or telling old stories again and again. These traditions connect the past with the present.
and they make you feel part of something bigger.
What's a tradition in your family, Sarah?
Every Sunday morning, we eat breakfast together. No phones, no noise, just sharing stories. That simple ritual brings us closer.
That sounds so cozy. Breakfast with family feels like a warm hug.
Listener, do you have a family tradition? Maybe something everyone does together. Think about how that makes you feel.
Even small traditions matter. Drinking tea together, watching a show, or taking evening walks. These moments build the story of your home.
Sometimes family relationships can be challenging.
Yes, not every family moment is perfect, and that's normal. Loving someone doesn't mean everything is always easy.
But small efforts make a big difference. A message, a call, a kind word.
And even distance can't break true family connections.
That's true. Even if you live far away, love travels quietly. It stays with you even when the person isn't near.
Love doesn't need distance or closeness. It just needs honesty.
Let's help the listener describe their family.
Yes, you can say, I have a small family, or I have a big family, depending on your life.
Or I live with my parents, or I have one brother and one sister.
You can also share simple things like, my mom is kind, my dad is patient, or my sister is funny.
These small sentences can express big feelings. They help people understand who you are.
And they're great for real conversations.
Family is not just relatives. It can also be people who make you feel at home.
Yes, friends can become family too. Sometimes the people you choose support you more than anyone.
Home is any place where your heart feels safe.
Listener, think about the people who feel like home for you.
Think of the ones who make you feel supported, understood, and seen. Those people are your family too.
And you deserve that kind of love.
Sam, what's one lesson your family taught you?
They taught me patience. They taught me that every person is fighting their own battles. So kindness makes life easier.
That's beautiful. My family taught me that small care matters. Little things can change someone's whole day.
Your family has shaped you too. Think of one lesson they taught you, big or small. That lesson lives inside you.
Carry that lesson gently. It's part of your story and part of your strength.
Thank you for spending this warm, emotional time with us. Family topics are deep, but sharing them feels healing.
We're so glad you were here with us today, and we hope your heart feels a little softer now.
We'll meet you again in the next cozy conversation.
Until then, be kind to yourself and to the people you love.
Bye for now.